Good morning, YouTube. ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਠ ਗਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ. We were up at 5:45 and ਇੱਕ session ਸੀਗਾ with Mr. Saket from Pune, a lovely man, but he didn't show up for the session. ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ. He's a very disciplined person, so I'm sure something genuine must have come up. ਹਾਂਜੀ.
मैंने कहा ये उधर फ्लैटों के नीचे गाड़ी खड़ी कर दिया फिर.
हाँ, ठीक है. Yeah, so I'm sure something genuine must have come up. So I thought, let's go to the Gurdwara. I have heard, never been in the morning, but around 8 a.m. there's Kirtan at Racecourse Gurdwara. So I'm gonna go there and just sit for a while and just serenade in the energy. If I know the Shabad or if there's a slide or a projector, I'll sing along because singing is very important. Gaviye, suniye, maniye. That's the order I think Japji Sahib proceeds in. Gaviye, कि तुसी गाना है रब दे जेड़े गुण ने ते जेड़ी क्वालिटीज ने, his greatness, वडियाई गाविए, सुनिए, you have to hear it, and मनिए, you have to imbibe it, you have to live it, you have to operate from the core. So now let us go and देखते हैं what's happening there. कोट सूट पाई In a country so hell-bent on culling its dogs, I hope the Paramatma looks out for that little baby and everyone like him. Now, naturally, the Almighty is everywhere, so why do we even show up at the Gurdwara? Why can't we just teko matha anywhere? And we can. The Almighty is indeed everywhere. But coming here this morning, just as I walked in, it suddenly hit me that this is a reminder that there is godliness within you. God resides within you. So proceed into the world with such a zeal that Almighty, the universe conspires in your favor, that there is the divine hand behind all of this, and that divine hand is a benevolent hand. And with this, let us proceed into the year and proceed with our day.
Yeah.
What do you mean? That doesn't sound too promising.
Ups and downs. Like, yeah, we talk.
नहीं मारने मुझे भाई मारने गाड़ी भाना काटता ना गाड़ी लगती तुम्हें पे तो गाड़ी भाना काटता तो आज थोड़ी सा कुछ काम होता है मुझे बता भाई गाड़ी किस तरह भगाने के लिए किस तरह से गाड़ी भगाने के लिए ओवरटेक करने के लिए भगाने अच्छा गाड़ी भागनी है वहाँ तक यहाँ भी आगे गाड़ी इतनी तेज में नशे मत गाड़ी चलाया करो यार
नशे में नहीं होगा
तो अगर नशे में गाड़ी होगा तो
ऋषिकेश से लेकर
गाड़ी लेकर यहाँ गाड़ी से चलाएगा यार
सॉरी अंकल आपके
देखो सर, आप गली में हो, गलत चला
नहीं सर आई नो दैट्स व्हाई
ओवरटेक करा उसे उसका आवाज हॉर्न बजा उसके पीछे जब मान ली गली मोहल्ला है भाई ये आराम से गाड़ी चलाओ
आई नो मेरी गलती है
सॉरी है तो यहाँ तो गाड़ी तो चलाओ
Living here is like the wild, wild west, man. That guy almost mowed the Uncle G down. If he hadn't, he'd have banged into my car. Screaming, fighting. Then there's a girl trying to learn how to ride. Then that's that bloody graffiti on the wall. They don't care. Paint कराना पड़ेगा. Morning. बहुत कुछ हो रहा है एक ही टाइम पे. इतनी noise है. I'm like internally all over the place after that short trip to the Gurdwara. I felt lovely when I entered, and while exiting, because of the dog, I just felt tremendously sad. Now I'll go for a walk. ढंग से डालियो।
एक तो कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं, नाड़े नूड़े कोई डाले बचपन से जो,
तो अभी इतने कॉन्फिडेंटली क्यों बोल रही है डाल
क्योंकि
लेगी?
मैंने देखा हुआ है ना डालते हुए।
ऐसे नहीं, इधर दे।
2 मिनट पापा,
टैट को दे दे,
निकल जाएगा, देखना।
टैट डाल देगा।
2 अटका के दूँ।
I'm standing without नाड़ा without pajama।
अब ये डाल।
पापा जस्ट गिविंग मी दिस मच, ये कहीं से भी निकल जाएगा अंदर।
तू डाल यार, हो जाएगा। फिर सलाई को पुश करते रहेंगे ना।
सलाई को ही तो पुश करना है।
टैडी आप क्या करने की सोच रहे हो?
उसमें डाल के सुई से ले जाऊंगी।
मिशन अनसक्सेसफुल, मैंने ऐसे ही पहन लिया है। अब आई होप वॉक करते हुए गिर ना जाए।
ऊपर से बांध देती हूँ।
गग्गू के चा। The sort of people you come across heavily depends on the frequency you're vibrating at the moment. So if you're vibrating at a bad frequency, you end up being around terrible people. This driver supplying dude who left graffiti, I'm trying to call him. And when he says, hey, what's up? I'm like, I need a driver, bro. Can you come visit? See, it's not picking up. You are going to trade a stock or buy a stock that is below its 50 moving average. Trust you me, you're gonna have a very rough time. No magic happens below the 50 moving average whatsoever. Now, normally we follow rules to the T, but today we've broken our rule. The market is tanking, it's terrible, it's below the key moving averages, but we've taken a trade. A small position because we mostly could not resist. This is a breach from our rule, but the stock is showing immense relative strength. Let's check out the setup. Now this is that setup we are speaking of. We have this strong leg, a good base, a 3-day consolidation, and today it has moved out, and that's where we have entered. We know that this may not be the best scenario because of the weakness in the market, but dekhte hain ki hunda. A small position just to take exposure, and we're okay if it works, if it doesn't work. I lay on the bed sideways and crashed. Any ज़्यादा थका, just crashed. कुछ पता ही नहीं लग गया कितने यहाँ कितने नहीं यहाँ. हल्का था ही यार बंदा. और तैयार श्यार होके चलते हैं जिम. आज पुश डे.
अच्छी चीज कोई मत डालो, ऐसी चीजें
अच्छी हो कहाँ रही है? शवासन कर रही है.
अच्छा।
वर्कआउट में तो शवासन कर रही है.
तो शवासन इज लेजिटिमेट आसन ही नहीं होगा। आई एम शॉक्ड।
इतना सा लंच करके लेट्स गो लिफ्ट. Quick moment to see what all we've done today. For chest, we did 3 exercises. So for chest, we did flat dumbbell press, 40 kilos max. For incline Smith, again for the chest, we did 80 kilos total, not considering the bar. I don't know what the weight on that is, on a Smith. Then I did tricep dips, body weight. Then I did overhead barbell extension for the triceps. And finally ended with the upright dumbbell row for the shoulders. Tomorrow is going to be a bit of a back and then 1 shoulder exercise, which is going to be seated Smith raises. So a lot of proper structure being followed, leaving 2 reps in reserve, not pushing myself too much. I'm going to be lifting 5 days a week. The 6th day could be like abs or something, or I have some lady who wants to teach me some yoga, but like, what's it called? Elevation? Aerial? Basically upright जाने वाला. So handstands and all. वो देखते हैं क्या होता है. So anyway, that's the workout. अब चलते हैं घर. And this is what the evening meal looks like. I wouldn't have any other meal. This is above any bloody cuisine for me. Georgie will wash my hair now, have some time. See you all tomorrow. God bless. Thanks for the support.